Morning Year 2, Miss Wilson again here for day 2 of maths. Well done on your work yesterday comparing money. So many of you had remembered how to use our greater than, less than and equals to, so well done. Before we begin, let's recap our coins and notes again. This time I'm going to start with the notes. So shout at your screen how much each one is worth and whether it is pounds or pence. Let's go. £20, £10, £5. That's all of our notes. Let's look at our coins. It's the big one. £2. Well done. £1. Remember, this is what the old pound coin looks like. When we're working with our little coins or on the screen, you will see it looks a bit different, but it's still this size and it's still gold. On to silver coins now. 50p. 20p. Well done, we're getting quicker. 10p. And the smallest silver coin, 5p. 2p. And the 1p is so tiny that I seem to have lost it. Let's see what we're learning about today. Before we start today's learning, let's quickly recap what we did yesterday. Here I've got some amounts of coins, and we are going to decide which symbol needs to go in the middle, whether it's greater than, less than, or equals to. So let's have a look. Here I have a £1 coin. Remember, the pound sign goes first, and then the number, £1. On this side, I've also got 1, but it's not a pound, it doesn't look the same, it's 1 pence. Which side is greater, £1 or 1 pence? Well done, £1 is greater, so my crocodile would eat it. Okay, next row. Oh, here, shout it out, what's this? 50 pence, well done, 50 pence. Well, I've got 2 coins over here, maybe that means this side's greater. Let's have a look. 20p and 10p. We can count in tens. 20, 30. 30 pence. If I wasn't sure, I could use my base 10 to make 20 and add on 10. 10, 20, 30. I got it right. But which side is greater? My ones are the same, but this side has more tens. So my crocodile would eat the 50p. Down here, these are bronze coins. I've got a 2p and a 1p. Start with the biggest number, 2, 3. 3p. I've just got 1 coin on this side, or it might mean it's less. Let's have a look. Well, it's a 10p coin. So is it less? Oh no. 10p is bigger than 3p. It's greater than, so my crocodile would eat it. Well done, everyone. Today we're going to use that to try and make 2 sides equal. So they are always the same. They are equals to. Let's have a look. Here are my 2 sides. Let's see what I've got. Always start with the biggest number. I can see I have a £1. That's the biggest value, £1. And there's no other pound, so we write our and. 2p. £1 and 2p. What have I got on this side? Oh, I've got £1. Are those sides the same? No. We are going to try and make them the same. Now, the first thing you might spot to do is that we could remove this 2p. And then look, they look the same. We get rid of that, they look the same. I've got £1 on each side. That's the first way you could do it. What if we added to this side instead? What if we had an and on this side? I could make them look the same, couldn't I? £1 and 2p, they look exactly the same. I wonder if there's another way I could make it. Is there a coin smaller than a 2p? There is, a 1p. I could count in ones to make 2p. 1p, 2p. Now I've got £1 and 2p. Even though they look different, they are the same. They are equal to £1 and 1 2p. What if I did this? Are they the same now? They don't look the same, but we always need to check. I've still got £1, but this time I've got a 20p and a 2p. I've got 22p. My pence has changed. 22p. Are they the same now? No, they're different. We need to make this side the same. I could pick up a 20p and put it over here. But I wonder if there's another way I could make 20p instead, rather than having the same coin. What's a coin less than 20p? There's a few. I'm going to choose 10p. I'm going to count in tens to get to 20. 10, 20. Let's see if that's made the same as this side. £1, 10, 20, 21, 22. £1 and 22p. Are they the same now? Are they equal to? They are. Well done. Let's do one more together. I'm going to add this coin to this side. What coin is that? Shout it at me. 50p. Well done. Let's see what that's turned it into. Still got £1. That hasn't changed. 50p, 20p and 2p. 50 add 20. You might notice that from over here, it's the same as two 10p's. So let's count in tens. 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. I've got £1 and 72p. They're not the same anymore, are they? Let's try and make this side the same. I could match the coin, put a 50p over there. Let's try and do it differently. You could count in fives or you could count in tens. I'm going to choose tens until I get to 50. So here's my 50p. Let's try and reach 50p. 10, count with me, 20, 30, 40, 50. Those coins are the same as this coin. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Makes 50p. So I've swapped it out. Let's see if it makes them the same. £1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now I've got 1, 71, 72. Excellent. £1 and 72p. Now they are the same. Good work, everybody. Now you are going to have a go. There are some pictures on Google Classrooms of amounts of coins, and I want you to think of ways that you could make them the same, either by taking coins away or adding coins in. You might even, as a challenge, be able to find more than one way to do it. Think about all the ways we know to count. We can count in ones, twos, fives, and tens, so use that to help you. Use counters, base 10, pasta, buttons, pegs, anything you have in your house. I can't wait to see your amazing work, so make sure, once you've written it in your home learning book, you take a picture and send it to your teacher. See you tomorrow, everyone.